Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we'll talk about the latest drop of the Google self-owned AI IDE, which is known as Google Anti-Gravity, and there's very much hype around it. So we will check in this video, is it just the hype or is it worth the hype? So for checking that with me, you are coming to our screen. So let's go ahead. So now we will test anti-gravity, and we will check is it just the hype or is it really worth the hype. So let's begin. So we will go in our created folder test one. Okay, so first of all, let me get through the UI of anti-gravity. Okay, so here are you get 5 models: Gemini 3 Pro high token, Gemini 3 Pro low token, Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5 thinking, GPT OSS 120B medium token. So these are the models for this video, and the main guest is the main AI Gemini 3 Pro. So we will use that, which is currently paid, but yeah, you can use it for free in anti-gravity. So we will ask it for a simple but with no context. So it will be simple website but with no context, so we can just see what the AI itself creates. Okay, this is our prompt, and with this I will attach one image. So here you can see I have uploaded my one image. Okay, and everything is good, and just let's send it, and wait a minute and let's get the AI do it work. Okay, so he started thinking as it is the thinking model, so it will think first. You can also change this to the fast, but I don't recommend this, because if AI will think, it can be execute more well, and it have more time to think. So yeah, I always prefer that. And here you can access some settings, like you can get ignore, tap speed, tap to import, tap to jump, smooth, advanced setting. I'm not something doing with that. Agent auto fixed length, auto execution you can on it, but yeah, it asks you for review, so you can just review it, and you just need to accept what it is saying. Okay, this is what it is, and we will meet after it makes it. I need to brief you guys, so that's why I started recording again. So as you can see, it will give you an implementation plan. So create a premium responsive portfolio website for Kanak using the provided image. User review required none at this stage. Propose changes. Okay, so here it is something written, and it is using this JPG which I have given to it, which is pretty nice. And okay, so I'm just letting you know. And here you can review or add a comment to anything, like for now here is this custom CSS variables for colors dark theme. I can change it for a light theme or any colored theme if I want, but I am pretty sure he's using dark theme because of my photo. So let it be what AI thinks, and we will just proceed with no further objection in it. Okay, so if you can see, here is 3 options: request, review. So it will automatically ask, agent decide, and always proceed. So for this video only, I am doing always proceed. So yeah, it will be always proceeded, because this is the AI test only, so that's why. Okay, so here is the main MVP feature of it. As you can see, it automatically open. Okay, so here is our website. It can automatically open Chrome and get access for you. Oh, so here is a reactive thing. Okay, I can see. It's nice. For a first design, I will rate it like 7 out of 10, because yeah, something like you can see it's not centered, first fault, but it's still checking, and it can also take screenshot. So okay, so after, if you can go to the same ID, you can see here what it is checking. Okay, so yeah, you can see capturing the screenshot campaign. You can also view it. So yeah, you can see as it has captured the project. It will check all pages for first time. Let's move on to our test 2. So our next test will be how it is good for improving, if you want to see in the improving aspect. So for this website only, I will just tell him to improve the UI, and let's check what is the UI now. So this is the before. Okay, I will just do it. Okay, this is the before section, and I will just write the prompt, make the UI better. No context here, so it will be a raw pure test. Make the UI better, I just tell it that. Okay, and let the AI do its AI thing. Okay, so he's thinking for better typography. Okay, so automatically, as you can see, I have made it to always proceed. So it proceeded with its implementation plan. Otherwise it will ask me to confirm, but this is much better for an AI test. So now it is integrating new visuals. By the way, if you are watching till now and haven't subscribed, go down and subscribe that red button, because in the future we will upload more such cool content about tech, coding and entrepreneurship. Okay, so he's previewing it. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so it asked like it created an orbiting here, like some improvement can be seen here. Okay, so in the background it adds some like boho effect type of thing, this red and light blue, greenish blue type of thing. Okay, he's done some improvements, but what I liked about this website, like it's not cluttery, like it's professional looking. Like for the first thing, it's professional looking. Like it's very simple as you think. Like you can be like very much thing you can do into personal portfolio website because it's yours. Okay, so you can show off your skills in this website. But yeah, it's AI, but I know if I give him a straight up like a very good prompt, like a very good prompt, like with all the context, all the things he has to use, he can do much better. I know that. But I will upload the I don't know, in this video or in next video I will upload part 2 of it with full context, maybe in this video only. Okay, so he's asked card type of thing. Okay, we called it cards here, so it's good. Okay, so he's checking currently everything. Okay, so he's Y3000. Okay, he's doing everything what he need to do, and I will show you the. By the way, this is very simple because it need to be simple. It's like basic things. It just use JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Like that's the basic tech stack of developing a website. Okay, and whether you can accept it or reject it. If you reject it, it will go to AI and it will be you will ask what to change, or if you want to redone all the code. Okay, so this is our final website. Overing this. Okay. Okay, this zoom in effect. Okay, nice. Let me see one thing. Yeah, you can. Okay, got it. So here's a zoom in effect, solar effect. He's the liquid glass effect he's trying to do here. I can see it. Okay. But he should do more of a magnifying, because if you can. But yeah, it's AI, so I can't say much about it. Okay, so it has done same thing here. Okay, he's trying to magnifying type of thing, but okay, so he's done this to hold this circle. So yeah, I got it. What he's trying to do. Even on my picture. Okay, so he's added some things here. Okay, nice. Yeah, so after change, and if you can see, he has also added some type of textured green, if you can see this, which is kind of cool. But it has added like very much. Like the earlier was this. Okay, so earlier one was this. No UI, no zoom in or anything. The simple everything. And after that he added this. Okay, and let me. Okay, so here there is no pop-out thing, but if you can see, here is also like, yes, you can see this, the movement, the animation, and so this is all thing about this. Okay, and in our upcoming videos we will test this for making our next startup or anything, or we will also be trying to make like we can also try to make a fully portfolio of mine. By the way, I like this portfolio. If I want, I can customize this as I want, like clients and everything, and about myself, like AD production and everything, and it is just fine, bro. So yeah, so in upcoming videos I will upload more about these things, so make sure you follow our channel for that thing. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.